combine and have that view over there, that's just pretty awesome. That's almost as awesome as watching that Mike Les guy on YouTube.
That is one good-looking tractor and grain cart. Hey everybody, it is Farmhand Mike here, and my daughter and I recently went to the Alva, Oklahoma area to get some wheat harvest footage for the 2020 season, and I got to see a lot of crews running, I got to see a lot of machines, and I am very excited to bring you this video here of a John Deere 7720 combine, a John Deere 9600 combine, and a John Deere 8440 tractor pulling a Killbros 590 grain cart. This video is in a field right on the Kansas-Oklahoma border, and in part of this video you can see the small town of Kiowa, Kansas in the background. I was filming a custom crew cutting and these guys went by. I seen them in the area. I was able to stop and talk to them, get permission to film them. This is a drone footage only video. I wish I had a little more time to get some on the ground footage, but you got to take what you can get. But I think it turned out awesome just seeing these machines out here in action. And I hope everyone enjoys this as much as I did seeing this, editing this video, and so forth. I think it turned out great. The John Deere 7720 combine, these come out in the late 70s, were built through the 80s and so forth. And this is the 7720 Turbo. There was also a 7720 Titan 2, and that had a green rooftop instead of the yellow one like you see here. These were somewhere in that 145 to 165 horsepower range and weighed in around 20,000 pounds. It was also quite windy when we filmed this, and the DJI Mavic Pro, that's what I'm flying right now, did really good in the wind, but you can see by the way the wheat's going and dust blowing, it was very windy. But look at those shots. So right in the very background there, if you see a grain elevator way back there, it would only be a mile or two, probably about 2 miles, that would be the town of Kiowa, Kansas. This area right here is a major stop for a lot of the custom wheat harvesting crews, and back in the mid-90s or so there was a movie. You can still buy it, you can find it on Amazon and on the DVD. It's called The 2,000 Mile Harvest, and back then they followed a crew, S&L Farm, Scott and Linda Payne out of Nebraska, and they had like 10 John Deere 9600 combines, and it went through the whole 5-month wheat harvest where they started in Monday, Texas, worked their way up to Alva, Oklahoma, Kiowa, Kansas, all the way up into Lethbridge, Alberta, Canada. Just an awesome movie. You can find it on eBay. It's called The 2,000 Mile Harvest, and this is one of the places where they stopped to cut wheat. And in 2016, my daughter and I was out in Haxton, Colorado during wheat harvest, and we got to meet Scott and Linda Payne. And I think they're retired now, but it was awesome to talk to them. And anyways, get on Amazon, check out that DVD, The 2,000 Mile Harvest. And no, I'm not getting paid to promote it. It was just an awesome movie. Everybody should see a documentary about wheat harvest. And look at this John Deere 8440 tractor pulling this Killbros 590 grain cart. The John Deere 8440 tractor was built in Waterloo, Iowa between 1979 to 1982. In 1982, this tractor would have sold for approximately $64,000. These were powered with a John Deere 7.6 liter 6-cylinder diesel engine and rated at 215 engine horsepower or 175 PTO horsepower. And of course the Killbros grain carts made right in the great state of Ohio, Delphus, Ohio to be exact. And here's a look at the John Deere 9600 combine that was cutting in the same field. These combines come out in the very late 80s and were built through the 90s. These were just a little over 300 horsepower, and this combine would have weighed somewhere in that 25 to 30,000 pound range, depending how it was equipped. But this was the biggest combine John Deere built at the time, and it was quite a monster, but it looks quite small compared to today's machines. Also, the 7720, I remember when that was a very big machine, but it doesn't look so big now. And that's going to wrap up this video. Like I said, I wish I had a little more time here to get some more on the ground footage, but I think it was a good 10-minute video of these machines in action, and there's always next year. Anyways, feel free to like, comment below, and also check me out on Instagram and Twitter at Farmhand Mike.